Hello everyone, I'm back with another book unboxing video. Now here in this video, you are not going to see a box from Flipkart. You are going to see a package, very sleek. This packet I have in my hand, Flipkart, and let me uncover it because it's just a packet and my favorite book. And I'm not expecting a bookmark this time because how can I? Because it's just a packet and no bookmark, as I said, no bookmark, no. And by the way, the book cost me 166. You can see 166. Okay, and the English teacher, and I'm an English teacher. So this book is for me, and I'm just reading it. I'm going to reading it. I'm not reading it right now. I'm going to reading it. And this book is going to be an amazing read by Narayan. And by the way, Narayan, not Narayanan. Okay, it has 280 pages and it's a novel on a teacher, English teacher, and his life. And he has a great life. So I'm just going to read and I'm going to relate to my life. That's it. Bye.